Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Shakur. Here I may have to explain you about the all the features of this software. I will explain each and every feature of this software one by one. So first we log in here. No, here you see the main dashboard of the software. That is, here you will get a complete details of your business, like your customers, how many customers you have here, and how many suppliers here, and the total number of products okay, and the total number of sales invoice, total numbers of purchase invoices, and the amount of purchase here, and the amount of sale here, and here you can see that total sales today sales. Here is total there is difference between these sales and these are complete sales of the software from start, and here that sales of today. So and here is the expense, total amount of expense, and here you can see the amount of the income, total income. Due customers, number of due customer. Here you can see the due number of customers which are due, and here the list of the customers which are due. You as we see is a zero, and there is no customer in the list. And here you are seeing that reorder product, that product which are uh, which are now which are we have to order again. So there are, you can see there is cheap products, and the list of the product uh, which are belongs to the criteria of the reorder product. And here you can see the list of the expiry products. So first we know the main and important feature of the point of sale, that is the sales. So first we open the sales, again sales. Here you see the main main interface of the screen. Here you can select the customer. If there is no customer in your list already, you can add them by pressing anything here. Like when I press anything, it will ask me name of the customer. So I have to enter the name of the customer to enter my account. If you don't want to use the customer that is in your account, you can always use a customer on counter sales. Then you can enter the name of the customer here and the customer number here, and you can continue your invoice. You can later check the record of the customer which are on the counter sale also by typing the number here and clicking on the customer record here. And here you can also add item here. There is a button of the add item here. You never need to go back to the main screen to add the items or add the customers. All facilities are here on the screen interface. Here you can see the button of edit invoice. You can edit your invoice at any time. Uh, Now we start our invoice. Here you can see there is a barcode number. Sorry, this this text box is selected. You can see this blinking line here. You have to just scan your barcode. There is no need to do anything else. Only scan the barcode here, and your invoice will be your product will be selected. But here I'm not using a barcode scanner. You can use manually by pressing enter or by selecting here, and type any first letter of your product. Like I'm typing first letter S, and there's a stationery with the name of the S. You can see there is another simple way to select an product by just pressing and enter, and here you see the complete list of the product, and you can scroll down to the product and press enter, and the product will be selected here. Here's a more feature of you can change the price of the product here. by clicking here, or by using a short keys, keyboard short keys. Here you can change the discount in rupees, and discount and the quantity of the product. These are all by using a keyboard and mouse both. You can use keyboard and mouse also. So in this video, sorry, we have to going to close this video here. Next feature will be explained in the next video. Uh, I will complete all videos one by one, and will explain all my software features in my videos by part wise. So this is the today's video. Allah Hafiz.